Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you can simply tap open your Messenger first of all, and once you have opened, you can simply tap on the menu option and go to your archives. So here you can find all the archived messages or like archived chats. So once you tap on it, you can find your archive messages right over here. Or if the messages are not there, you can simply download your Facebook information, which basically includes your message history, or if applicable, you can also try a data recovery tool or try restoring it with the help of your Google Drive backup. So by using these all methods, you can simply get a hold or you can simply recover your deleted messages on the Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.